Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to read subjects of your mail in UiPath. So here I am going to read top 5 subjects of my mail. So as per your choice, you can read top 5 or a top 10 or top 20 subjects of your mail. So go to UiPath and let me create a new sequence or flowchart. So for now, I am going to create a new sequence. Click on this plus icon and search for activities called Get IMAP Mail Messages or Get Outlook Mail Messages. So the choice of activity depends on whether you want to read emails from IMAP server, that is Gmail, then you can go with Get IMAP Mail Messages, or if you want to read emails from Microsoft Outlook, then you can go with Get Outlook Mail Messages activity. So for now, I'm going to read messages from Gmail, so I will use this Get IMAP Mail Messages activity. So drag and drop this to your canvas. Click on this activity and in the properties panel, configure the properties like server and port number, and here you can see email, password, and if you want to filter top 5, then you can type 5 here, or if you want to retrieve top 10 emails, then you can just type 10. So for now, I'm going to retrieve top 5 emails and I need to provide the server and port number and email password here. You can get the server name and port number from Google. So just type as IMAP settings for Gmail. So you can get this server and port number. So let me copy this server name imap.gmail.com and port number is 993. Server within double quotation and the port number is 993. So within double quotations, I need to give the email. So provide your email and click on OK and then give the password within double quotations. And in this field, I'm going to create a variable and I will name this as mail messages. So this is going to store the list of subjects, and click on this plus icon and search for each activity. Drag this to your canvas and for each item in, I'm going to give the variable that we have created these mail messages, and this for each activity will iterate through each mail that retrieved. So provide the variable name mail messages that we have created just now, and make sure you must choose the type argument as system.net.mail messages. If you can't find this, you can click on this browse for types, then just type as system.net.mail. So I will get this option, click on this drop down and again dot mail messages. So you will find this mail message. So then click on OK. Then you can use message box or write line activity to display the subjects of mail. But for now, I'm going to use message box activity. And here item dot, we'll just paste it here. So item dot, I want to read the subject. So I will give subject. Okay, let's debug it. So this is the top first subject line of my mail. Let's cross check it. So your profile is impressive. So here is something like your profile is impressive. Let's click on OK. And this is the second subject line of my mail. Let's click on OK. And this is the third one. OK. And this is fourth. OK. And this is fifth subject line of my mail. And click on OK. So this is how to use email automation to get or to read subject lines from your mail. So while practicing, if you get any error like this, application specific password required, so no need to worry. You can go through my videos or you can click on the link which I have provided in the description. You can find the solution for this error. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.